Welcome students. In this lesson, we will learn about simple electric circuits, a very important topic in GSM maintenance and electronics repair. Understanding electric circuits helps technicians diagnose phone faults, repair charges, replace components, and work safely with electronic devices. Let's begin with Ohm's law. Ohm's law explains the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in a circuit. The formula is V equals I multiplied by R, where V means voltage, I means current, and R means resistance. Using this formula, we can calculate any one of these values when the other two are known. Now let's define the key electrical terms. Current is the flow of electric charge through a conductor. It is measured in amperes or amps. Voltage is the electrical force that pushes current through a circuit. It is measured in volts. Resistance is the opposition to the flow of current. It is measured in ohms. Power is the rate at which electrical energy is used or converted. It is measured in watts. The power formula is power equals voltage multiplied by current. Next, let's look at some important electronic components. Resistors control or limit the flow of current. They protect sensitive components inside phones and chargers. Capacitors store electrical energy and help smooth voltage fluctuations in power supplies. Inductors store energy in a magnetic field and are commonly used in power management circuits. Transformers transfer electrical energy between circuits and are used to step voltage up or down. Transformers work only with alternating current, or AC. These components are found in phone chargers, mobile phones, and power banks. Another important skill for GSM technicians is identifying resistor values using color codes. For example, brown means 1, black means 0, red means 2, orange means 3, yellow means 4, green means 5, blue means 6, violet means 7, gray means 8, white means 9. A resistor with brown, green, yellow, and gold bands has a value of 150 kilo ohms with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. Learning resistor color codes helps technicians choose the correct replacement components during repairs. In GSM maintenance, these concepts are used every day. Technicians use Ohm's law to test charging circuits, check voltage levels, calculate power consumption, and identify faulty components. Whether repairing mobile phones, building power banks, or troubleshooting chargers, understanding simple electric circuits is essential. Let's summarize. Ohm's law connects voltage, current, and resistance. Current is the flow of charge. Voltage is the electrical pressure. Resistance opposes current flow. Power measures how much electrical energy is used. Resistors, capacitors, inductors, and transformers each perform important functions. And resistor color coding helps technicians identify resistor values quickly and accurately. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.